Yes, sir. What happened in Sonali Phogat murder case? You had filed bail application for accused
Yeah,
number two.
it's a pleasure to tell you that in the case of Sonali Phogat, the bail application of accused number 2 has been granted today by the Honorable High Court. Accused number 2 has been released on bail on conditions. One of the conditions is that he will continue to live in Goa. He will report every Friday to the SP CID, and then he shall not travel abroad. He will surrender his passport or file the necessary affidavit, and all other conditions are there. But it's a pleasure to tell you that he has been released.
What was, sir, major contention for the bail application?
Major contentions was this was a circumstantial case. In a circumstantial case, circumstances should be fully established to point out to the guilt. If the circumstances are doubtful, they project also the benefit of doubt, or they project that there is wrong, that the accused is wrongly implicated, he has not done it, then he should be released on bail.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.